Hello again, guys. Recently, Fusion got an overhaul where they changed, so you have to select what kind of design type you want to use. And in the old version, the default design type you used was basically a hybrid version where you would basically mix uh, direct modeling and assembly modeling into one. So you could import models. Like you see here, I have an imported model here and here. And those are basically other ones that I have here on the side. And there are some changes here, which is really annoying because you don't really understand why it happened because you're used to everything just showing. And one of these things is when I want to project something of a model, like in this case I want to project the sides or whatever from this specific model. I'll just change it to shaded so you can see this. I want to project these sides like this, and it's really hard to do that when you edit the sketch and then the model itself disappear, which is the new setting they have enabled in Fusion. Can someone tell me what the hell is going on there in Fusion? These designers are stupid as fuck. I'm just saying, sorry YouTube, I just have to say it straight out. Whoever designed the newest version of Fusion, fire them. They have no idea what they are doing. They are putting designers to create stuff that engineers would normally use to work with, and it's to create the software that engineers use, you need to have engineers who are going to use it, create it, because otherwise you end up with stupid shit like this. I'm going to show you now. So I have this model and I want to project off the sides. This model is I made sure that it was above here. This is the model I imported, so it is above this one in the queue. You can see here on the, so this is my previous model, and then it's after this in the timeline I have the sketch, which you need to be able to see the model you're gonna project from. Okay, now if I go to the sketch I have like this and I want to edit it and I press edit sketch, this happens. In the old days I would be able to perfectly see the other model, and now it's so hard to see because it ghosts the other model underneath and you can basically not see it, and it's like you're working and it's really hard to see the model you're actually supposed to be grabbing the surfaces from. So how do you change this? It took me a while to figure it out, and ChatGPT didn't know fuck all. So I'm going to show you now. You go to the preferences menu up here and you select preferences, and then you would probably have it collapsed, but you go into general first, expand that by clicking the arrow, and then you go down to design, expand that arrow, and then you have assemblies, and then you have the option called active component visibility. That means that only the component that you actively are working on will have full visibility. This wasn't there before, or if it was, it worked differently. Because if you want your object that you can see here to be fully visible, you need to remove that tick box, and then you press apply, and you got your model showing again as it should. And as you can see now, because you can actually see the model underneath, it's easier to actually see which surface you are gonna select. You can press P for project, like this. Okay, and now I have projected that. So I just wanted to show you guys another fucked up feature which the Fusion people incorporated, which is just horrible in this latest version. It shouldn't be on. If people want to use it, they can put it on. You make all these changes, which is really counterproductive for anyone who's actually been using your product for a very long time, and then this happens. So yeah. Anyway, I hope this video helped you guys, and I know I have like 98% of my viewers don't subscribe; they just view and then move on. I hope you can support my channel by giving me a sub. You don't even need these notifications. Just hit the normal sub without notifications if you want to, and give the video a like. My main goal with my channel is to help people and help myself. If I kind of forget how I did this when I update it, then I know. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.